Alright guys, here are a couple of tips when you're doing valve stem seals. So I've done some of them already over here, got 5 left. First advice is to cover all of your oil drain holes, because there is a high chance you might lose one of them in there when you're putting it back, putting the retainers, these little things, back in there. The tool slipped for me once and one of them went down. I managed to get it back, but one of them went down the oil drain hole. I'll need to open the oil pan. Another tip is a couple magnets to fish out the retainers or keepers. And last one is get yourself a set of tweezers, because it's much easier to put them back in with a tweezer than with your hands or anything else.